Morning, Boeing ground, Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot's midfield hangars, Blake departure, information X-ray.
Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot, Boeing ground, runway 32 left, taxi via Bravo.
32 left, taxi via Bravo, Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot. Clear left and right. Doing a Blake departure, which is a climb straight out, then a left crosswind. I think about 250 toward Blake Island, below 1500 initially. After the shoreline up to 25. The right one-way is closed. There's a lot of construction along the Alpha taxiway. But we have the Bravo taxiway if we need it. I've got 10,000 feet of runway. Winds are calm. Let's get our frequency set. We need 35725. We need ground 216. Tower up here. We'll get approach later. Navs are set. Flight plan is in. Our pre-takeoff items are complete. Boeing Tower, Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot 32 left, Bravo 10, Blake departure.
1546 Fox, Boeing Tower, I'm sorry, say again?
We're at 32 left at Bravo 10, Blake departure.
1546 Foxtrot, go, got you now, runway 32 left, Bravo 10, clear for takeoff, and green light approved.
We're doing a Blake departure, we're clear for takeoff, 32 left, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot.
Blake departure, sorry about that.
Miles clear, runway's clear. Okay, mixture's rich, lights are on, here we go. Power set, fuel flow's good, airspeed's alive.
07 Boeing Tower, roger. You can proceed inbound. You can cross to the south side at this time. Winds are calm. Departure will be at your own risk. Yeah, you guys are headed back to the spot 8, the new one, right? Okay, yep. If you want to just head for the cranes, Duwamish head, and then enter from there.
Boeing Tower, Cessna 278 Charlie Alpha on ILS 17 approach.
Cessna 278 Charlie Alpha, Boeing Tower, continue inbound for runway 32 left, traffic to 12 o'clock, half mile, northeastbound 1000's a pipeline aircraft. They're going to be through your center line here in about 30 seconds.
Continue approach 32 left and look for traffic 278 Charlie Alpha. Traffic inside 278 Charlie Alpha.
Number 8 Charlie Alpha, thanks. Like I said, they're just doing a pipeline patrol, so they should be through runway 32 left, clear to land.
Roger, 32 left, clear land 278 Charlie Alpha.
Bonanza 46 Fox, you can start that early turn. Traffic just over the ballparks, inbounds a copter.
We're in the turn now, head toward Blake, 46 Foxtrot.
Bonanza 46 Fox, perfect, thank you, sir.
300 to go. Some pressures are good. Up to 25 now.
Bonanza 399 Tango Alpha, Boeing Tower, roger, stand by, it'll be just a second.
Empire 859, turn right, heading of 010, vectors to final, descend and maintain at 6,000. RV3 Romeo Hotel, Squawk 1200, frequency change is approved, have a good day. Center 5 Tango Tango, flighting 060, and contact Seattle departures on 119.2, good day.
Okay, those items are all taken care of. Now we can monitor and get the...
Your runway's unlit. Use caution, possible bird activity coyotes in and around airfield. Advise on initial contact, you have information. Echo.
And Yeah, next request was the
Echo 1754, observation, wind variable F4, visibility 10, sky conditions clear, temperature 11, 2.05, altimeter 3037. Respect to ILS approach, runway 17 in use.
Radar contact.
Runway 17 rails on service, VFR ground track point, on service full. Obstruction crane 5.5 nautical miles northeast Olympia runways unlit. Use caution, possible verdict tuning coyotes in and around the airfield. Advise on initial contact, you have information, Echo.
9 uniform Lima. Any chance you can make your teardrop turn towards the west on your way back? Air 244 Niner uniform, turn left heading of 360.
360 for Niner uniform.
1 Niner Romeo, turn right or right turn heading 160, traffic off your left wing and less than a mile, 1,000 feet above.
Tier 6 Whiskey Golf, number 1 to the runway, runway 17, 1340 at 4, cleared low approach.
Cleared low approach, 176 Whiskey Golf.
Olympia Tower, 74 Foxtrot, November, traffic sight.
So the 4 Foxtrot November, based there in your discretion, number 2 falling behind the Cirrus, runway 17, 1350 at 4, clear to land.
Based on our discretion, number 2, clear to land, runway 17, 74 Foxtrot, November.
Olympia Tower, helicopter 927 Echo Lima, reporting downwind.
Helicopter 7 Echo Lima, taxiway Whiskey 1350 at 4, cleared for the option.
Cleared for the option, 927 Echo Lima.
Attention all aircraft, just use caution for a Robson helicopter doing pattern Whiskey in the right downwind.
Alpha
Helicopter
descent.
7 Echo Lima, traffic is a Cirrus
Items
short final
are
with parallel
complete.
runway 17. Additional traffic is a Cessna right base approaching a 2-mile final for the parallel runway 17.
Roger that, we got them both at site 97 Lima.
Roger, thanks. Tier 6 Whiskey Golf, in contact Seattle, lost assigned.
Contact Seattle approach, 6 Whiskey Golf.
Olympia Tower, Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot, 11 miles north, information Echo, full stop.
Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot, Olympia Tower, continue straight and final runway 17, report 3-mile final.
Report 3-mile final 17, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, we're going to second star.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, copy second star.
Olympia Tower, helicopter 927 Echo Lima, reporting on the go.
Helicopter 7 Echo Lima, report right downwind, taxiway Whiskey.
We'll report right downwind, 927 Echo Lima.
Speed checks, approach flaps. Glide pass coming in. Full approach mode. Gear coming down. Green, green. Flight director, well, we have the flight director on, yaw dampers off.
Olympia Tower, this is helicopter 927 Echo Lima reporting downwind.
Helicopter 7 Echo Lima, taxiway whiskey 1360 at 4, cleared for the option.
Cleared for the option, we're board on the go.
And helicopter 7 Echo Lima, traffic is a Bonanza, approaching 3 mile final, parallel runway 17.
Roger that, we'll keep an eye out for the traffic, 927 Echo Lima.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, runway 17, wind 010 at 4, cleared to land.
Cleared to land, runway 17, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot. We'll look for the helicopter.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, traffic routes and helicopters right midfield down for the parallel whiskey taxiway.
Okay, we'll keep an eye out, 46 Foxtrot.
Thank you.
Got 3 green, approach flaps, mixtures rich, prop is set for the miss. Flight director can come off. About a 1.5 mile final, bring the power back and slow down. A little bit of a tailwind. Surface there. On the glide path, on center line. On speed, go full flaps now. That's all right.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, you can taxi to park via Foxtrot Echo, cross runway 26 at Foxtrot.
Okay, parking via Foxtrot Echo, cross 26 at Don Foxtrot 46 Foxtrot. We're cleared to cross, lights coming on. It's clear left, it's clear right. It's Charlie. Up to Echo.
Look out the 346 Bravo Foxtrot Olympia Tower, hold position for a landing company helicopter, just about to cross 17.
Hold in position, 346.
Olympia Tower, Skyhawk 230 Echo is 3 miles from for you.
Olympia Tower, just so you know, that helicopter is taking our parking spot.